Go, go. Got you. Okay, so that just puts it in sport. So now I can go. Let me see this. Oh, wow. And then at the stop sign at the end of this long road, go left. Nice, it just is there. Good shifts. Nice. Oh yeah, those brakes feel fucking great. God, I need to get those Hawk pads.
Yeah, those are just stock ST brakes.
Oh, they put way big brakes for this car.
Yeah,
this car did not need that big of brakes. Same with mine. It did not need that big of brakes. I'm so glad they're there.
But yeah, so I have the flat foot shift set to 5 grand.
Yeah.
So it's just rolling anti-lag.
Yeah, yeah.
You can just like... And it keeps boost at 50 PSI.
Oh, yeah.
The Zutria U-Pick. What now?
Keep going down a little further. There's like an actual like farm that you can go past.
Not bad for a little 2-liter.
No, dude, this thing rips. This thing absolutely rips. Yeah, this is the hard 90.
Okay.
It's cambered in too.
Nice. Looks like someone took advantage of that.
Oh yeah. And yeah, this is where you can turn around.
Okay.
But yeah, another hard 90 here. So you can see why I'm like, I want a really good car to fucking rip around these streets, dude.
Yeah, I'll buy an RS if I move out here.
Yeah, right?
Where are we?
This is Cornelius.
I like it. I like
Me too.
too.
Me too. It's fucking gorgeous out here. There we go. There's that rotation.
Little lift off.
Yep.
Yeah, what I love about this car is it's insanely predictable.
Yeah, I felt that. I felt the same. As soon as I felt the torque zero, I was like, oh, okay.
Yeah.
So in the torque band, it's going to pull a little bit, then it'll straighten out.
And I don't even notice it because I already instinctively like push right when I'm gassing it.
Yeah, and then like as soon as I threw it around those first corners, I was like, okay, it's planted. We're good. I know this car.
One thing this thing really needs, besides like a stiffer suspension,
yeah, that
Is it
was gonna
LSD?
be- Yes. Yes, I can tell it's an open.
Yeah, it just bakes them.